They just said that you wouldn't give your location.
We car with them. We had no time to get the tag. They took all my shit, man.
They had a black SUV.
I have nothing.
You saw we had a store. They just took off with all of our money in our whole backpack.
I have nothing.
Everything we own.
I ain't got fucking nothing.
I literally stepped out of the car. They sped off and drove around. I stepped in front of them. They hit me with the car and they drove off. I told dispatch, follow them to the toll bridge. They said, where you at? I said, Shady Lane. Go find them on dispatch. They just took off to the toll bridge. And you're standing here.
Well,
They just took off with everything we own, bro. Go find them.
So I'm gotta go look for a black SUV.
It's a black SUV. That's all I know, man.
Fuck you, bro.
That's all I know, bro.
Yeah,
that's all I know, man. All my shit's in that fucking truck, bro.
And they just robbed us all.
Okay, well,
They sped off doing. Find them.
They sped off doing 50 doing that.
They hit me with the car.
Are we gonna go through our paperwork side of it, or are you just gonna yell, go find
them? What do you mean no paperwork? Go find them.
My shit don't matter.
Well, I need statements and such so I can have a probable cause.
He just took my shit. He just took my shit, man.
Statement for what? Bro, they just robbed us blind. Statement. You're going to write a statement and they're going to take off and you're gone.
Really?
So all the money, all of our clothes.
I'm trying.
All of our fucking
car
clothes.
they just pulled off?
Yeah, they drove up.
I know nothing about the car other than a black SUV.
I told you
It's
we got in a car. Dude. I told you
They were in front of them.
Probably 111 Flagler. I need 269 code 3 of Shady Lane.
You want to get a statement?
That was everything my son had, yo. That was that car.
Everything we had.
I told you we got in a car. When you asked me, I said that's that car.
Get the fucking
statement
statement.
right there.
All right, Clayton, I need you to come back here.
That was all my son's stuff.
Kiss me out. You catch me on the outside.
I just want my shit, man.
They just robbed us.
I just want my shit.
And you wanted a statement? Bro, go find them. They just robbed us for everything.
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure it out, is what we got going on. You're telling me all you're doing is...
Is that running so you got a color?
They don't have it.
I got...
Bro, we called him.
I wasn't here.
Fuck you, nigga.
He wasn't here, but he still ain't doing
up there,
nothing.
Jiffy, you can see probably them getting in that car. I told you he got in a car when you asked me about it.
Probably one of them back. You can slow everybody down.
Nothing, man. What the fuck am I gonna do?
While they're pulling away.
All my boys' clothes and everything.
Okay, well...
You want a statement while they're driving down the road. You want a statement while they're driving down the road.
Stupid, man.
You want a statement while they're driving down the road. Fuck you, nigga.
Dude,
Fuck the
you're
police.
gonna end up going to jail, bro.
I don't know what the fuck.
All right, now we're talking something different.
Yeah.
I'll cut you, nigga. What am I going to jail for?
Aggravated assault on a police officer.
I saw nothing. I threw a cell phone past the cop car.
Yeah, and
I didn't hit you.
Pulling out the knife and flicking and saying, I'm going to kill you.
I didn't say that. Pritchard.
Yeah,
Pritchard,
you
no.
pretty much
But
did.
I called you guys, and
It's
you guys
on
were not
body
doing
camera.
nothing.
You saying that you're going to cut me or kill me.
Can you put my shoes on,
As
please?
you pull a knife on me. So yeah.
Here, stand up. What are the chances that we ran? What's the connection? If the house
I'm just going to take a look at that arm.
I'm good.
Well, if you want to go to the ambulance,
My arm's good.
You said you want to go to the hospital, right?
Arm's good.
We're going to have to look at it.
I don't want to
first.
go to the hospital for my arm. I want to go to the hospital because I'm hungry and I'm starving.
Oh,
They'll
but
feed you at the jail.
Well, it's not a restaurant.
I stopped lifting up my arm. I'm
The
good.
jail will
My arm good. Stop lifting up my arm.
We have to look at it.
I'm good.
We're going to tear your shirt if you don't
Well,
stop.
then take the cuffs off so you lift my arm.
No, you need to let go of your fingers.
I got 8 cuts.
8 of them?
Yeah, and they're all tattooed. It's tattoos. I did some tattoos, self-tattoos. Self-tattoos.
Ooh, that one's pretty ugly.
Self-tattoos.
Ooh, yeah, that is.
These other ones from running through the woods?
No, those are my self-tattoos. That's tattoos I did myself. Those are self-made tattoos.
So where did you put the keychain with the knife? Is that on you?
I have no knife.
All right, well, we can roll back to the video footage where I was talking to you at Publix and see it.
That was, you roll back the video. That wasn't no knife.
Then we can see the video of you flipping it open
Roll
and
back
saying
the
that you're
video.
going to kill me with
Roll
it.
back the video. That's assault. That ain't no aggravated assault. That's assault.
You had a weapon. You pulled a knife.
Please just try me to assault. Assault on Leo. Misdemeanor. I did nothing wrong. I walked away. Did I not? I didn't come at you. I walked away.
You pulled a knife. Told me you were going to
I
kill
had
me.
no knife. It was a
You?
fucking,
And that's when I pulled a gun on you, didn't you? You remember that part? Okay, well, You
Dude,
put me in enough fear where I
told
pulled a gun on you because I thought you were going to come
bro.
cut me.
I just got robbed.
So
you guys weren't doing nothing.
why don't you go ahead and have a seat until we get the ambulance over here?
I don't need no ambulance.